Okay, hello Cordis fans. So I never watched the encore stages for Go and What You Want for the Sound Bomb, just because not because a particular reason, but it was more so because I was like I didn't realize or I had forgotten to go back and look out for them, because before they weren't actually doing separate like videos for the encores. They were just doing it all in one go, and then if they had like a behind the scenes, then they would do like a behind the scenes. But recently I feel like they've been kind of like dividing it kind of weird, and then also like releasing like how they like have their schedule to release certain groups, because like I just did Anteam's encore for their for Back to Life, and I was just like, wait a minute, I'm like, didn't they just do, they did Close Your Eyes the other day too. So I'm just like what is going on with like how they're organizing all of this, because I know they do like the sound bop stage, and then they've been, like I said, they've been cutting out the encore for that particular song, and then you're like, okay, well, you have to wait for that to come out. But instead of that coming out first, the next another group ends up coming out with their sound bomb, and then they go back to do the encore, and then they decided to say like, oh, we're gonna do the second like our B side that we're promoting after, and I'm just like, what is going on with like how they're it's very disorienting, and then how they end up having the videos on two different channels. They have one on the, I think they have the main Soundbomb stage like on the SBS Inkigayo page, but then the actual like the encores and stuff like that, or like, you know, fan cam like or visual like the like vocal cam for each member ends up being on the actual Soundbomb like channel. So I'm just like, it's very, I feel like it's very disorganized in my opinion. It's very confusing, because I'm just like, I ended up missing, like I said, I ended up missing parts of the other ones, and I'm just like, wait a minute, like it's like I'm going back to watch another new group, but then you still haven't finished doing the group from before. Why don't you just like, and then like I said, they're dividing into like four different videos when they could have just included the encore of the same song like they did the first stage of together, then moved on to the B side and do that encore together, and then if they do behind the scenes, then do that behind the scenes video later on. So I don't know what they're doing. It's very like disorganized, but I just wanted to bring that up real quick for like why I hadn't done the, or that, and I hadn't realized that I had missed the encore stages as well for this, because I was like caught up with other groups. But we're just gonna go ahead and watch this to kind of tie that all together, those loose ends that I didn't get to go back and watch.
One more time.
한번만 한번만 한번만.
님 저희 앵콜 한번 해보겠습니다.
네, 원하시면 해야죠.
He said as you want, like as you wish.
이번에는 그냥 뛰어 놀아볼까요?
이번에는
Like they weren't having fun before.
돌아다녀야죠.
But yeah, they're like sweating. I mentioned that before in the other one, in the first stage of it. They're like, we're making eye contact with everyone. Oh, not him actually jumping up. I can go over how good their vocals are live. Like, y'all, 5th Gen has been insane this year for new groups, in my opinion. Like, the talent. Oh, he's like, I almost missed you. And he's like, this fist bumping everyone! Hey. He's like, I'm making hearts with everyone. Just What happened? Why were they screaming? Like, what just happened? My favorite part of the song, right here. It's just so satisfying hearing Song Hyun like say the whole world part for me. Like, wow. Whoa, come on, Jihoon. I love that though, that they're like actually like going around and like making sure to like I'm not missing anyone who like wants to like give hand like high fives, like handshakes, like whoa! Hey! Hey! Let's go! Hey! He's like, let me hear y'all scream. What you want? Woo!
Oh yeah. 와우. 너무 재밌는데요?
Your eyes are out of breath.
옆에 있어도 감사합니다.
근데 일단 다음 무대는 또 이렇게 많은 분들의 에너지 받아서 더 이렇게 우와! 화이팅 이렇게 해볼까요?
우리
네.
옷을 바꾸고.
아, 야.
새로운 모습으로
New 모습.
새로운 곡.
온 곡으로. 다음 곡 뭔지 아시죠? 오케이.
You know, we're doing the like slight footsteps of it. I'm dead. James. Yeah, I'm gonna watch that video next, but like I said, Gen 5 has been really insane this year, I think, for the groups. Like, there's so many talented new groups coming up, and like the talent, like vocal, like wise, for sure, it's been crazy. And just hearing it also like with actual like earbuds, like and
정말 재밌었어요.
like it's
진짜 너무
crazy.
신났고.
Like your ears are just getting your eardrums are just getting blessed at that
생각도
point.
들고.
Like it's like encore, encore, encore.
처음인데.
A dual,
되나요?
처음이에요.
a double encore.
내려오지만 않으면 네.
내려오지 않고 할수 있어요?
네. 오케이.
아 그러면은 인사를 지금 드리고 끝나고 퇴장을 할까?
아, 그러면 아쉽지.
No, oh, I just realized there's a water bottle right there.
여운이 남아야 되잖아.
오.
또 오실 수 있게.
나쁜 남자.
Not-
더 자주 만나야지.
He's like, I like to like tease the fans, basically. Like, you know what I mean? Like it's really him saying 나쁜 남자. 개 웃긴데.
노래 주세요. Let's go.
Let's go. Lights. Like. Hey. 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 It's interesting, like, I feel like I don't pay attention to Joohoon's vocals a lot, but like hearing it live, like, I can hear a little bit more now. Tin. Play the beat. so sick. Dope shit. I feel like it'd be very interesting to hear like Joohoon go on like Moonjin service or something like that, or any of them to be honest. But like just because I feel like I don't appreciate Joohoon's vocals enough. That's why I say it. Go. I just gotta get it, watch me go. Hey. Let's go on a step down, got the manga digger, hey. Okay, yeah. Reload. The free throw. Bike. Hey, the fan chant is loud, y'all. Wow. Hey. Whoa. Whoa, his like his inner hair went flying. Oh my god. Whoa. I think that's like the thing about new groups, like younger groups, like the energy is insane. Like the young energy is insane, y'all, cause like I would be out. The fans. I wonder when they're actually gonna drop like the fandom name. To be honest, I think a lot of the fans have been wanting them to drop it. Oh, not the up close in camera. It's like so close. The shouting. I'm dead. They're like a little bit shy though. They're little eggies. Ah! That's Egyo? Ani?
고작 반 하트밖에 안 돼?
Yeah, like hello?
한 번 더. 오케이. 이래야지 배부르지.
For real, they are really cute. Like little babies. Oh my god, stop! 우리 만내님! That's Egyo. That's Egyo. That's Egyo. But it's like I said, they are very like different. So like the simple, like you're sweet. And James is just like, oh, he's like cringing. Like I did not just see that. Yeah, I feel like they didn't do much Egyo at the start. I feel like now they've gotten a lot more comfortable. But like, yeah, I don't see them as the type to do Egyo. That's the thing. I feel like.
무게감 있는 애교?
Come on, James. That point's not even Egyo. Yeah. Not Samnamja, I'm dead. Oh, like cause the heart that he did for the showcase behind the scenes or the ready to debut video.
Let's go. 근데 감사합니다 말고.
사랑합니다.
좋은 아이디어인데.
오케이.
그럼 지금까지 꼴찌였습니다. 사랑합니다.
만나요.
Yeah, I think it's just like the vibes that they give off is very like
많이 해요 우리.
hardcore. Make sure you facts. So yeah, they did drop this. You see what I mean? Like there's so many different channels that they end up posting these on that it's so hard to like either get it on my feed again or just like I end up moving on to the next group because they end up moving on to the next group and then going back. So it's like it's very confusing. But anyways, to talk about the encores, I think it's just very like nice that they have been kind of getting that like, you know, everyone's been kind of like more like, oh my god, like let's try it again, but like more energy, like more hype, like even though we just like performed it, like we're still gonna give it our all. But then also like that they're allowed to do it now, because I feel like before they were just like, oh, like we don't need like, it's like, do you have enough time? Because I know like during debut was like always them being busy with other schedules. So kind of just to see like how it was back like beginning of it to like more so like in other content that I've been watching, how like different I feel like they've been, because I feel like, you know, they're still a little bit shy here and there, I feel like, but for the most part I think they've gotten a lot like, they definitely have like gotten a little bit more experience now and like kind of have seen how it is a little bit and kind of gotten a taste of it. So it's just kind of also interesting to kind of go back and watch like their first few like content and videos from the beginning. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and watch the behind the scenes because I ended up finding it because I was like, oh, they did drop a behind the scenes. Oh my god, loud immediately at the beginning.
한번 제대로 인사드리겠습니다. 하나, 둘, 셋.
안녕하세요, 코티스입니다.
Energy was not there. 하나, 둘, 셋.
안녕하세요.
They're like, y'all are tired. That's I'm tired.
와, 위버스 팬, 위버스 커뮤니티 가입자 여러분 이셨는데 이제 더 이상 아니죠. 저희 어저께 데뷔했고 이제 코르티스 팬분들이라고 드디어 부를 수 있게 되었는데, 코르티스 팬분들 준비되셨어요? 예!
이렇게 얼굴 하나하나 이렇게 다 보이는 이렇게 가까운 장소에서
Yeah, I really wonder what they're gonna end up making the fandom name, y'all. I'm really curious to see how that ends up going.
그래서 오늘
어설간.
이제 저희 데뷔 앨범 Color Outside the Lines의 타이틀곡 What You Want랑 인트로곡 고를 보여드릴 건데요.
사실 저희가 어제 이렇게 공식으로 데뷔도 하고 오늘 이렇게 사운드밤 360 와가지고 라이브 컨텐츠도 하게 됐는데 응원해 주시면 감사하겠습니다.
Like they're just very like
이따가 댐부 한 부분 있는데요. 제가 소리 이렇게 질릴 거예요. 이렇게 사운드밤 소리 질러 하시면은 하면은 이렇게 소리 질러. 오케이, have fun 하고 시작해 볼까요? 오케이.
Allison Konglish.
1, 2, 3, have fun. Let's go. Go. Let's go.
감사합니다.
와, 인이어를 뚫고 들어오네요.
오케이, 우리
Kazuma, Kazuma. Not that I'm getting closer to I'm dead though.
같이 얘기를 좀 오래오래.
The subber. It's the subs for me. Like the person who edited and put the subs.
오케이, 이제
오케이, 힘이 올라와.
우리 솔직히 무대 올라가기 전에 약간 빅토리 포즈 10초 동안 하는 거 있거든요. 이렇게
자신감.
야 자신감. 근데 다음에는 그냥 루틴적으로 이렇게 한
They're
번씩
like
이렇게
좋네.
손을 잡고
shake their.
이렇게 무대 올라가자 이렇게 될 것 같은데요.
일단 남은 게 많으니까
예.
모니터링을 하고 와보도록 하겠습니다.
빨리 갔다 오겠습니다.
빠르게 돌아오겠습니다.
It's interesting how they're like live monitoring it, you know, like with the crowd still out there. I'm dead.
오케이 출발 출발. Let's go. Let's go. Yes yes yes. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yes. Yeah yes. 화이팅입니다. 화이팅입니다. 예 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Let's go. Let's go. Yes yes yes.
True, very true. Cause like
우리도 좋은 기운을 받고 좋은 무대를 보여드려야 되지 않을까. Go. Go. Let's go. Let's go. 화이팅. 오케이 시작하죠. Let's go.
what you want? Hey, ooh, take what you want.
Crash, smash.
Take what you want. Don't money, love it. What? Ooh, take what you want.
이거 이대로 끝내면 안 될 것 같은데.
Feel like we're too hype.
One more time.
Baby, one more time.
피디님 저희 앵콜 한번 해볼게요.
Yeah, cause like we have another schedule, but do they also have the time? Yeah.
오케이. 이번에는 그냥 뛰어 놀아볼까요? 저희 난입할.
돌아다녀야죠. Let's go.
음악 주세요.
That ad lib was crazy though. It's like how the cameraman immediately knows to go to Gonho. I'm dead. They're like, yeah, it's just like they don't give the vibes to do Aegyo, in my opinion. Well, maybe Martin, but like the rest of them, it's kind of like,
우리도 좋은 에너지 이렇게 돌려드려야 되잖아요. 근데 일단 다음 무대는 또 이렇게 많은 분들의 에너지 받아서 더 이렇게 우와, 화이팅 이렇게 해야 되지 않을까.
다들 목 관리 잘 하고 물 많이 마시고
네.
계시면은 저희 빠르게 옷 입고 돌아오도록 하겠습니다.
네. 예스. 감사합니다. Let's go.
그럼 지금까지
콜티스였습니다. 감사합니다.
just kidding, make sure you. It's the same person that yelled it in the other part too.
원래 중요한 일 기존에 이렇게 스크래치 해줘야지 그 힘이 나거든요. 자신감이 생겨. 안 보여.
That like we follow.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟,
I feel like
열.
it makes your arms feel heavier. I feel like because you're like holding it up.
오래 기다리셨어요.
오랜만입니다. 다음 무대는 우리 앨범 중에 첫 번째 트랙 고입니다.
워치원보다는 템포가 좀 빠른 노래예요. 그래서 더 재밌게 몸 흔들고 막 노는 그런 무대 됐으면 좋겠습니다. 한번 시작해 보시죠. Let's go! 관객분들 앞에서 팬분들 앞에서 하는 무대인데요. 진짜 유치한데?
뭔데요?
더 올릴 수 있을 것 같은데 근데? 방금 촬영이 끝났으니까
Like,
바로 이 에너지 이어서
The group of never-ending encores. I feel like it's gonna seem like. I feel like they might be like end up doing like how 17 always has like never-ending encores. I feel like they might do the same thing whenever it's time for them to have like their own concerts and stuff like that. It's giving very much that vibe.
질문 하나 있는데 What You Want랑 고 중에서 어떤 노래 더 좋아하시는지 손 한번. 오케이.
Like we can't choose.
보이라이드라고.
That's the right answer.
둘 다.
He's like, there is no correct answer. It's both.
야. 그러면 이렇게. 그러면 이렇게 다니면서.
Yeah, like give everyone equal like.
네, 지금 이렇게 얘기 나누시죠.
네.
오케이. 약간 수시 트레인처럼.
That's a sushi train. I'm weak.
회전 초밥인데요. Let's go.
오늘 머리색도 약간 연어 색깔이.
Oh.
오케이.
Now we're going backwards.
뮤비가 오늘 12시더라고요.
오늘 밤!
What you want movie?
예. 한번.
그래서 어떻게 한껏
이게 뭐지 싶을 수도 있어요. 저희가 당황스럽지 않게 반응 잘해주셔야 됩니다.
스포요. 스포입니다.
Why is he like?
하나 둘 셋 하면 연기 시작.
Oh, because he's laying down. I forgot about that.
우리 것도 한번 보여드릴까요?
이게 너무
이게
스포.
너무 스폰가?
너무 스포요.
He's like, eh?
성현 씨, 우리 뮤비의 기대감을 좀 쌓아가야 되죠.
Look, can't give away too much, y'all. Get up.
오늘 너무 스포야.
우리
He's like, I'm just
너무 많이
resting.
알아요.
너무 오래 스포했어.
너무 많이 스포했어.
오케이.
오늘 바로 뭐 조금만 기다려. 바로
저희 연기하는 모습을 볼 수 있어요.
얼마 안 남았습니다.
안 남았어요.
오케이, 저희 마지막. 너무 아쉽죠. 제가 시작하기 전에 말씀을 못 드렸는데 제가 여기 와가지고 우리를 보고 엄지들은 모든 90대 하거든요. 그때 마이크를 넘겨드립니다. 그러면 90대를 여러분들이 해주시면 한번 연습해볼까요? 우리 보고 엄지들은 모든
Push there.
yeah!
오.
예.
Let's go.
오.
마지막으로 하나 둘 셋 have fun으로 할까?
너무 많이 했어.
너무 많이
Yeah, like that, like probably like 4 or 5 times at this point.
2, 3 have fun. 1, 2, 3 have fun.
저희 다 같이 화이팅 한번 외칠까요? 하나, 둘, 셋, 화이팅!
약간 좀
파이팅.
그래.
괜찮게 해야 돼.
하나,
dead.
둘, 셋, 화이팅!
They're like, push there.
저희 고무대 어떠셨나요? 저희 다들 고생해주신 분들께 서로에게 박수. 이렇게 끝이 와버렸네요. 저희 이렇게 약간 신나는 노래 또 하나 있고 아니에요. 패션이라는 노래인데 스포를 딱 하나만
Oh, they ended up spoiling. He's like, no. He's like, no. He's like, my hard work. No. He's like, not that one, please.
이러다가 우리 앨범 그냥 여기서 틀겠어요.
Yeah, like is this supposed to be like a listening party spoiler? Like
사실 곡 제목이 철자가 대문자 소문자인 이유가 있어. 뿌숑.
어,
패션이란 뿌숑.
어, 방금 진짜
별거 아니라
방금 진짜 그냥 악몽 같았어.
he's like that was you pronouncing how it sound in the song basically.
마지막으로 우리 리더
잠깐 근데 감사합니다 말고
사랑합니다.
감사합니다.
좋은 아이디어인데.
오케이.
그럼 지금까지 퀄티치였습니다. 사랑합니다.
Cute.
또 만나요.
만나요.
누가 말했어요?
All of y'all.
같이 밥 먹으러 가겠습니다.
Like we shall go eat.
점액추.
소고기.
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 비싸.
비싼 거.
네, 매니저님 들으셨나요?
Did you hear that? He's like, are you manager you're gonna pay like for that?
Let's go.
아까처럼 사랑합니다. 아니면 또 듣고 싶은 말 있어요?
Like what the fans want, what the fans get basically. You know what I mean?
행복하세요.
그럼 진짜로 지금까지
He said chincharo.
퀄티치였습니다. 행복하세요.
행복.
행복하세요.
안녕.
좋은 경험 만들어주셔서 감사합니다.
Let him like saluting.
재밌을 것 같아요.
He's legit like a roadblock with how tall he is, and everyone's like,
감사합니다. 고맙습니다.
Kono, you're going last? He wanted to go last, I guess.
와주셔서 감사합니다.
안녕.
데뷔 후 첫 무대가 드디어 끝났는데요. 너무 재밌었습니다. 오늘 와주신 수많은
I think this is like our first time that we get to see them like have an ending meant with this, because I don't think I've seen it before.
라이브 보여드리는 좋은 무대하는 콜티스가 되도록 하겠습니다. 감사합니다. 그럼 지금까지 콜티스였습니다. 감사합니다.
He's like, I gotta win. And everyone pushing each other. Like, get off the stage, let's go.
에이,
뭐 하는 거야?
니체 조용하게.
Everyone wants to do a heart. Also, I was like, he's like, yay! He's like, I win as the magne. They're such a mess. Like, they're funny, but like a mess at the same time. But anyways, it was nice to go back and watch these because, like I said, it gives a little bit. It's kind of the same, a little bit of what we get to see for the encores, but it still gives like a little bit more behind the scenes of them kind of monitoring and like them like giving their ending thoughts and like just like them talking a little bit more here and there. But yeah, it's like crazy to think that this was like 2 days before they even made their debut. So like it was honestly like just like a teaser for like the fans that got to go and see them and, you know, kind of expect more from like what was to come, right? But yeah, I think it was like a great Soundbomb was always a great way to, you know, get more fans to like all be like, wow, like appreciate their live vocals, because they, like I said, Gen 5 recently, like this goes for everyone who's like Gen 5, has been really insane with their vocals, because I feel like this year there's been a lot of like natural like raw talent with how their vocals sound just as good as like on the actual like track when you like stream it. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed me going back and watching this, and I shall see you in the next video.